What are the divisibility rules for 12, 15, and 18? These are techniques to identify right away if a number can be divided exactly by 12, 15, and 18 without doing long division. These also help us identify if 12, 15, and 18 are factors of a given number. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. We should choose 3 and 4 because they are relatively primes, which means that they only have a common factor of 1. Example 1, 312. Is this divisible by 12? Let's take a look at its divisibility by 3. Let's add up the digits 3, 1, and 2. The sum is 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. How about its divisibility by 4? Let's look at the last two-digit number form, which is 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. Since 312 is divisible by 3 and 4, then 312 is divisible by 12. Another example, 816. Is this divisible by 3? Let's add up the digits 8, 1, and 6. The sum is 15. Can you divide 15 by 3? Yes, of course. How about the divisibility of 816 by 4? Is 16 divisible by 4? Yes. Since 816 is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. Therefore, 12 is a common factor of 312 and 816. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Again, 3 and 5 are relatively primes. They share only a common factor of 1. Example, 495. Is this divisible by 3? Let's add up 4, 9, and 5. What is the sum? Yes, it's 18. Can you divide 18 by 3? Yes. Is 495 divisible by 5 since it ends in 5? Yes. Since 495 is divisible by 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. How about 280? Is this divisible by 3? What is the sum of 2, 8, and 0? It's 10. Can you divide 10 by 3? No. Is 280 divisible by 5? Yes, because it ends in 0. But since it's not divisible by 3, then 280 is not divisible by 15. So 15 is a factor of 495. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 2 and 9. Again, 2 and 9 are relatively primes, which means that they only share a common factor of 1. Example, 306. Is this divisible by 9? Let's add the digits 3, 0, and 6. The sum is 9. Can you divide 9 by 9? Of course, we can. Is 306 divisible by 2? Yes, because it is even. Since 306 is divisible by 9 and 2, then it is divisible by 18. How about 387? Is this divisible by 9? What is the sum of 3, 8, and 7? Yes, it's 18. 18 is definitely divisible by 9. Is 387 divisible by 2? No, because 387 is an odd number. Therefore, 387 is not divisible by 18. So, 18 is a factor of 306. Can you figure out the divisibility rule for 21? Yes, a number is divisible by 21 if it is divisible by both 3 and 7, which are also relatively primes. How about 24, 30, 36? A number is divisible by 24 if it is divisible by both 3 and 8, which are also relatively primes. By 30 if it is divisible by both 3 and 10. By 36 if it is divisible by both 4 and 9. With these examples, I'm pretty sure that you can now figure out the divisibility rules for other composite numbers. For your exercises, write yes if the given numbers are divisible by 12, 15, or 18, and no if it is not. Pause the video if you want to answer these on your own. These are the answers. For 12, it must be divisible by 3 and 4. So you need to get the sum of its digits. So for 12, we have yes, no, yes, yes. For 15, it must be divisible by 3 and 5. No, no, yes, yes. For 18, it must be divisible by both 2 and 9. So we have yes, no, no, no. Thank you for watching. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord will provide. In this lesson, we should look for a pair of relatively prime factors of 12, 15, 18, or any other number to determine its divisibility. In these challenging times, we should look for a pair of prime reasons to fill our minds, such as life itself and family, sunrises and sunsets every day. This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay math teacher.